Tonight, a budget battle in St. Louis County has turned into a war of semantics. County Executive Sam Page says the budget the council passed last night cuts $14 million from his proposal. But some council members argue some departments and programs are simply not getting an increase in spending. 5 on your side's Laura Barczewski spoke with one department that says it will actually see significant budget cuts. Laura?
Mike, the St. Louis County Public Administrator tells me they only asked for a small increase in their budget, and instead they got a budget cut with an increasing caseload as they try to help the most vulnerable people who have no one else to turn to. Tucked away in the St. Louis County Courts building is this small fifth-floor office where St. Louis County Public Administrator Tim Weeks and his team of 9 others care for about 713 estates and the people attached to them across the entire county.
When we start to get involved, that's when a nursing home or a hospital or a family member will petition the court and ask for the appointment of a guardian conservator. And if there's nobody available to do that, or there's nobody able or willing, and the court makes that finding, then my office is appointed as the guardian of last resort, essentially.
Weeks says he and his staff do a lot for the people in their care, including enrolling them in benefits, finding them a facility or group home to live in, making medical decisions, and even liquidating their assets.
And we will go in the house and we'll take inventory and collect any and all valuable assets in that home.
Attorney John Chalice, who has worked in guardianship and conservatorship cases for 20 years, says for a long time it was elderly people who needed this type of care. Now the number of cases is going up and the people in need are going down in age.
We've seen an incredible rise over the last 10 to 15 years of younger adults needing guardianships and conservatorships because of mental health reasons, or other concerns that may exist.
Because of the increase in cases, Weeks proposed a small 2% budget increase to the county, and nearly 90% of that was for personnel costs. The council responded with a 10% cut, which he says could mean layoffs.
That if we don't have enough staff to act quickly and act appropriately and find placement for these folks and obtain the benefits that they need, we're going to be in trouble.
Weeks says for now it will be business as usual, but he'll be going back to the county council in the second quarter to ask for the funding they need to remain fully staffed.